Accidents and disasters. Factory fires, oil spills, earthquakes and floods. A lot of terrible accidents and disasters have affected people over the years. Let's take a look at some of the most common. Fires. Fires have started in almost every environment in the world. They have happened in forests, in people's homes, and in factories. House fires have started when people forget candles they have lit, or they leave electric appliances on when they go out of the house. Forest fires make animal species suffer because they destroy their natural environment. Floods. Floods happen when water covers land that is normally dry. In 2013, there was a flood in Scarborough, an English seaside town. It caused serious damage to many homes and shops. But water has other destructive powers too. Landslides. Heavy rainfall can cause landslides. A series of terrible landslides have recently occurred in India. Many buildings collapsed. Rocks and mud completely buried people's homes. Oil spills. What about accidents that happen at sea? In 1991, an oil tanker exploded just over 1,000 kilometers off the southwest coast of Africa. More than 250,000 tons of oil spilled into the sea. Oil spills severely affect humans, sea animals, birds, and plants. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are really violent storms. They cause damage to houses and businesses and put human lives in danger. In 2011, a massive tornado hit Missouri in the USA. It caused thousands of injuries and almost $3 billion of damage. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions can destroy entire towns and civilizations. Almost 2,000 years ago, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius formed a cloud of gas, rock, and ash around 33,000 meters high. It destroyed the city of Pompeii and several other Roman towns. Earthquakes. In 2011, Japan faced one of the worst killer earthquakes. It was the most powerful ever recorded in Japan. It measured 9.0 on the Richter scale and caused huge tsunamis. Tsunamis. Earthquakes at sea can cause tsunamis. Some tsunamis are over 30 meters high. In 2004, an earthquake caused a massive tsunami in the Indian Ocean. It was so terrible that it affected 14 different countries. It hit Indonesia hardest and destroyed many towns near the coast. Droughts. The power of water can be deadly, but we can't live without it. When the weather gets very dry, we get droughts. In poorer countries, millions of people have starved because of droughts. Without rain, the land becomes too dry to grow crops. Crashes. Trains, planes, and cars take us to amazing places, but they can cause serious accidents. In 2007, a Boeing 737 crashed near Cameroon. However, planes are one of the safest means of transport. Driving is a different matter. Car crashes are the most common of transport accidents. Drivers need to drive carefully and sensibly at all times. We live on an amazing planet. We breathe in its oxygen, take walks in its woods, climb its mountains. Accidents and disasters remind us how valuable life is. We are all responsible for looking after ourselves, our neighborhoods, and our planet.